Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to use Binance P2P for buying USDT and how you can earn up to 45% return on your investment. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So you have to install the Binance app, which is available on both iOS and Google Play Store. If you don't have Binance account, you can go in the video description below and click on the link to create your Binance account. Once you have created your account and finish your KYC verification process, you will see interface like this on your app. Here you can see lot of shortcuts are available to you. P2P is among one of them. If it is not there, you can click on more options and scroll down to trade section where P2P option is available. Click on P2P, you will get interface like this. On the right hand corner, you can see the currency option through which you want to buy USDT. You can select your respective currency in which you are going to trade for USDT. In the middle, you can see P2P option is there. If you click on it, you will get three options. First is Express, in which you just have to enter the amount of USDT you want to purchase and Binance will search the best trader for you. Second is P2P, in which you will see the list of all the USDT traders and you have to choose from whom you want to buy USDT. Third option is block trade, which is used for bulk trading of USDT. So I will be choosing the first option, which is Express. Here I will just enter the amount for which I am going to buy USDT. I will enter 5,000 rupees and then I will just click on buy with zero fees. And then you can see you will get all the options through which you can transfer the money to the trader. You will get UPI, IMPS, bank transfer, lightning UPI, and also you can see over here how much USDT you are going to receive. Okay, you just click on confirm purchase. You will go to the next page. You will see the seller information is available over here. You will see the order number and everything over here. Then click on make payment. On the next page you will see UPI ID of the seller, his name. You just have to make the payment and then click on transfer. Once you have successfully transferred the money, you will get a notification that USDT has been deposited into your funding wallet. Just click on done. So once the USDT comes into your funding wallet, just click again on more options, go to common function, and you can see over here transfer. Just click on it. You will transfer it from your funding wallet to your spot wallet. Okay, just select USDT over here. You will select maximum and you will confirm the transfer successful. This means USDT is transferred into your spot wallet now. Once you have transferred from funding wallet to spot wallet, you can just click on wallets below and click on spot. You will see all the currencies which you are holding right now and you will see USDT over there. Now what we will do, we will go and buy BNB using USDT. So now we will click on the markets over here. We will search pair over here, USDT BNB. We will write BNB and click on search. We will get the first option, BNB USDT. We will click on that and then we will click on buy. We will put 342.1 and then we will select 100% USDT, then buy BNB. Order created. You can see below the open orders. This is our order which we have placed just now, which is 342.10. We have purchased. We are going to get around 0.164 BNB. After buying BNB, now I will show you how to transfer BNB from Binance to another wallet like Trust Wallet or any other wallet. I will be using Nabox wallet. It is available on both Android and iOS Play Store. You can download it using the link provided below. I will just show you the interface. This looks nice. I will just click on BNB. I will click on receive. Then I will just copy the address from here and then I will just click on BNB again. I will click on withdraw. Then I will select the option, first option, send via crypto network. Then I will just paste the address which we have copied from there over here. And then you will see it will automatically select network. And then you have to select maximum, send from spot and funding wallet, and then click on withdraw. And then you have to confirm again. Now you have to enter verification. I will just enter the verification code which I have received on my email and my phone number. After clicking next, submitting the OTPs, you will see this page which show that withdrawal processing. You will get it within 1 or 2 minutes in your wallet. You have to wait. So once you receive your BNB in Nabox wallet, just select the Brise address from there. So once you receive BNB in Nabox wallet, just go to the Discover section. Just click on Pancake Swap. It will connect you to your wallet, Nabox wallet. Automatically it will connect. You don't have to connect it manually. In place of cake, just select Brise. You have to type Brise over here. It will show you. Just select Brise. Select maximum percent. But we have to leave something for gas fees, so we'll just put it over 0.15 and we'll click next. So we will receive around 10 crore BNB. Oh, sorry, 10 crore Brise coin over here. I will change the slippage to 14%. We'll try if it goes through. We'll click on swap, confirm swap, and again we have to confirm. Then I have to use my fingerprint to confirm this swap. It is swapping. We just have to wait. Transaction submitted on BSC scan. You have to just wait for a few minutes. You can go back. You can see over here you receive around 8 crore 85 lakh because there is 12% tax on Brise. So now you received 8 crore 85 lakhs. So what we can do now, we will put this Brise on staking. So we will go again to Discover. We will put bitgert.finance and we'll click OK. We'll go to bitgert.finance, confirm. Now you have to click on connect wallet and select the first option, MetaMask. It will connect to your wallet as you can see on the top. Now you go down. You have to click on stake, select 180 days. You see up to 45% return on 180 days, locked until 14 September till 5:20 p.m. Then I will click on stake and please wait loading. I have to just confirm the transaction again. You see now it is staking process complete. You will see over here how much you have staked. I have staked 2 times. I have staked this Brise. So one time I have staked around 10 crore, one times around 8 crore. So you can unstake, you can harvest whatever you will earn. You will get see over there BUSD earned. I have earned in 10 days around 0.091 BUSD. So after finishing 180 days, you can come over here and you can click on unstake and harvest both Bitrise and whatever BUSD you have earned till that day. You will get in your wallet, Nabox wallet. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope I have made clear all the things about staking and transferring BNB from Binance to another wallet. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.